Alright, so it's Friday night. I'm selling the Junior, which is kind of funny. I'm only selling it because, well, I'm trading it because what I really need is a second amp, and I already have the Les Paul Special, which has the same pickups, but it has two of them and it's more comfortable to play than this one. So just need to swap out this output jack that I've been meaning to do for the new owner. I'm meaning to do this for myself. Hey, stop making noise! I'm making a video. Been meaning to do this for myself, but I never picked this guitar up since I got the Special. So just spin it over. Oh. Okay. Neck, what the fuck? Why does that say neck? That's supposed to be the output jack. That is hilarious. I hope you can see that. This came out of a US Les Paul Standard, and it says China on it. You see that? See where it says China? I hope. Anyway, that's the one out of the Les Paul Standard. Huh, and this is Switchcraft, and that's what's in the Junior. That's hilarious. I bet nothing's wrong with that. Is this gonna fit? Back in tight. I like to put these metal ones on here because they don't crack. You always find these cracked and fucked up and broken. These metal ones are like $6 or $7. They're cheap. Just plug her in. Oh, it's a nice short run too. This is huge. I don't think anything's wrong with this, but this is Switchcraft, which is hilarious. And that says China. And that was off of a Les Paul Standard. And this is a Junior. Anyway. Alright. So what you'll notice here is that I have carefully packed up all the original parts, including original knobs, original truss rod cover, now the original jack plate, all the case candy, original brass nut, all inside the case. And now, there we go. We're ready to go so that my new Fender Princeton Brownie can take its place. Okay. Yeah, those look good. So do these. These are way better than what was on there. Anyway, goodbye 2015 Junior with titanium nut, new top hat knobs, and replaced output jack cover and output jack. Ready to roll. If you take original parts off your guitars, throw them in the case if it ever comes time for sale.